Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video I'll be doing some cassava pone or pumpkin pone. Okay, so I've got my cassava here. I normally break the ends off when I'm buying them in the store just to make sure they're not black on the inside. I have some dried coconut. Always make sure there's lots of water. I'll be putting a little bit of sweet potato, and I've got some pumpkin here. Okay, so let's just go through my spices. I have some ground nutmeg, some mixed essence, some mixed spice, some ground cinnamon, and some brown sugar. Okay, so I'm just going to peel these up and then grate them, and once I've grated everything, then I'll be back. So see you in the next clip. Hi guys, and welcome back. So I have grated everything. So I've got my freshly grated cassava here. I've got 4 cups. I'll put all the measurements in the description box. I've got 1 cup of pumpkin, 1 cup of grated dried coconut. I've got half a cup of sweet potatoes just to give it a little bit more moisture. This is about 3 tablespoons of coconut water. This is from the dried coconut. I've got 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Okay, and I'll be using 2 cups of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of mixed spice, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of mixed essence, and half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Okay, so let's start mixing this up. Okay, that's the sweet potato. And that's the coconut. The pumpkin. That's our cassava. Okay, our coconut water from the coconut. That's our melted butter. I am using a dairy-free version. So that's some flora. Okay, so that's half a teaspoon of mixed spice. Half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Okay, now I'm going to add the mixed essence. And now for the sugar. Okay, so that's 1 cup of brown sugar, and that's 2 cups. Okay, so now for us to mix this together. Just have to mix it well so everything is incorporated and distributed evenly. Okay, so I'm just going to add about an 1/8 teaspoon of salt, just that amount. Okay, so that's looking good. Okay, so that's the mixture. Just gonna put it to one side. I've got a square Pyrex here. I'm just going to grease it with some butter. Okay. Okay, so I've got a square Pyrex that I've greased. I'm just going to fill it up with the mixture. Just going to smooth it out. Tap it so that it's settled. Okay, that's looking good. I have preheated the oven to 350 degrees or 180 degrees Celsius or gas mark 4. I've got a gas stove, so I'm using gas mark 4. I am going to cover this with some foil and I'll put it in the oven to bake for about an hour, and then I'll be back to check on it. So I will see you in the next clip. Our pone has been cooking for half an hour. Just taking it out of the oven. Okay, so I'm just going to take the foil off. Oh, it looks lovely. Just gonna take the foil off, then put it back in the oven. So I will see you back when the pone has finished cooked. Welcome back. So now my pone is all done. I did use a cake tester and it wiped clean. I ended up baking it for about an hour and 45 minutes. It's nice and golden. So I'm just going to leave it to cool. And once it's cool, I'll be back. We'll slice some up and we'll see what it looks like on the inside. So stay tuned. Welcome back. So my pone is now cool. Okay, so we're just going to cut some. Okay, so that's the pone on the inside. It's nice and sticky. Okay, so this is my take on cassava pone. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you can know when I post, and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.